Hello guys, welcome back to Automaz channel. The all-new 2025 Ducati Monster V2 has officially been unveiled, and it's everything American riders have been waiting for: aggressive, agile, and unmistakably Ducati. Staying true to its naked sport bike DNA, the Monster V2 brings an updated blend of raw power, cutting-edge tech, and the minimalist Italian style that made the Monster name iconic. This isn't just a cosmetic refresh, it's a bold evolution designed for thrill-seekers who crave performance without compromise. Under the hood, or rather, the tank, sits a 955 cubic centimeters Testastretta 11 degrees V-twin engine, the same legendary motor powering Ducati's middleweight Panigale. It pumps out around 111 horsepower and 69 lb-ft of torque, giving it an exciting punch for both spirited backroad rides and aggressive track sessions. The lightweight aluminum frame, inspired by the Panigale V4, keeps the Monster V2 nimble and flickable, while the new ergonomics promise more comfort for daily riding without sacrificing sportiness. Visually, the 2025 Monster V2 maintains the stripped-down muscle bike aesthetic that fans adore, but with sharper lines, a more compact tail, and redesigned LED lighting that looks both futuristic and menacing. Ducati also offers new color schemes including Ducati Red, Aviator Gray, and the crowd favorite Iceberg White. The bike stance is lean, low, and undeniably mean, ready to turn heads on the streets of Los Angeles or Miami. Tech-wise, this machine doesn't cut corners. It comes standard with cornering ABS, traction control, wheelie control, and quick shifter up and down, all adjustable through a 4.3-inch full-color TFT display. Riders can switch between sport, touring, and urban riding modes to tailor the bike's behavior for every scenario. The Monster V2 is also lighter than its predecessor, weighing in at just 365 pounds dry, making it one of the lightest bikes in its class. Ducati clearly had the American market in mind with this update. The seat height is adjustable, making it accessible to a wider range of riders. Plus, the slightly more relaxed handlebar position offers a balanced mix of aggression and comfort, perfect for weekend warriors and daily commuters alike. Whether you're carving canyons in California or cruising through downtown Chicago, the Monster V2 offers unmatched versatility. Now, let's talk numbers. The 2025 Ducati Monster V2 comes with a starting price of $13,995, which is highly competitive for a premium Italian machine in this segment. Considering its specs, design, and features, it's positioned as a top-tier naked sport bike that delivers value without skimping on performance or quality. Optional accessories and performance upgrades are also available for those looking to push the limits even further. In conclusion, the 2025 Monster V2 is more than just a motorcycle, it's a bold statement. It captures the spirit of Ducati's heritage while embracing the future of sport bike design and technology. If you're looking for a middleweight bike that offers big thrills, a premium experience, and standout styling, the new Monster V2 should be at the top of your list. This is the Monster Reborn, lighter, smarter, and meaner than ever before.